Good day everyone, I am Ralph Lawrence S. Milagracia and this video is about my informative and demonstrative speech about baseball. So first I'm gonna talk about the history of baseball, then the objective and gameplay, the positions, and then I'm gonna demonstrate on how to swing it. So without further ado, let's start. So the rich history of baseball takes back to the 19th century with the first professional team, the Cincinnati Red Stockings, taking the field in 1869. The game evolved from various stick and ball games, becoming the sports we know and love today. So, what is the objective of baseball? The objective is simple. Score more runs than the opposing team by hitting a thrown ball and run around the four bases. By running the four bases, when you reach the home plate, you score a run. So each team plays a 9 innings and each team has a 3 outs. So what is the positions in baseball? So the positions is the pitcher, the catcher, the infielders, and the outfielders. So the pitcher is gonna be the one who throw the ball. Then that's it. The catcher is gonna be the one who catch it. The infielders, which is the first baseman, the second baseman, and the third baseman, is gonna be protecting their bases. Then there are the shortstop. The shortstop is gonna be the one who is supporting the second baseman and the third baseman. Then the outfielders, which is the right fielder, the center fielder, and the left fielder, is gonna be the one who catches the fly balls. So, yeah, there are styles in pitching. So there are different types of pitching. We have the fastball, the curveball, the four-seamer, the forkball, knuckleball, and etc. There are so many, so I'm not gonna comment this video now. So anyways, so let's talk about the gameplay. So let's say that your team is on the offense and the opposing team is on the defense. So you're in the offense, right? So let's say that you're the at-bat, or you're gonna be the one who's gonna bat the throw ball by the pitcher. So when you hit that throw ball by the pitcher, you run around those four bases. So the first base, the second base, the third base, and the home plate. So you're in the home plate first before you hit the ball, right? There's a box there. The box is called the hitter's box. So you're standing there sideways. So just a quick tip now. When you're at bat, do not face sideways. I mean, your body is sideways, right? Facing sideways, but your face need to be, you need to face the pitcher, so you can focus more on the ball. So when you hit the thrown ball by the pitcher, you run around those four bases. So when you run around those four bases and you reach the home plate, clockwise, you score a run. That's a run. So yeah, that's it. That's the gameplay. So when you hit the ball, when you hit the ball and then the opposing team catch it and not catch it while in the air, you're out. That's an out. So when it reaches 3 outs, you're gonna be changing. So your team is gonna be the defense and the opposing team is gonna be on the offense. So that's it. Simple, right? So yeah. So now I'm gonna demonstrate on how to swing a bat. So before I'm gonna demonstrate the swinging or the swing the bat, I'm so sorry because I don't have the equipment for the bat, so I don't have money. So just imagine I'm holding a bat. Or if you have a bat at home, you can practice it or you can copy me. So listen carefully, alright? So when you swing a bat, you're facing sideways, right? Then you need to face the pitcher. So let's say I'm sideways. You need to bend your knees, then bend your knees, have your position, your shoulders right here. Then when you swing, do not turn this. You need to lift your feet first, then twist here, twist there, then hit. That's it. So that's it. It's very simple, right? So let's try. Lift your feet, twist your hips, then back. That's it. So that's my informative and demonstrative speech about baseball. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm sorry for my bad English. And yeah, thank you.